fam. Oh, I haven't vlogged on this camera in a while. I've been straight up using my iPhone X. But we're about to go to Advanced Auto Parts to get some oil and oil filter for the Civic, and we're gonna change out the valve cover gasket today. You know what I'm saying? I got the whole kit, so we're going to Ron's house or K-Bro's house. Alan Spec is gonna be there, so I'll see y'all there. Look at the badge.
B16.
Hold on, but look at the code.
Hey.
Hey.
You know that's the same one I had on my car. Yeah, you need to change this shit ASAP.
Yeah, we changing it now. I have all the parts. I just gotta get oil and an oil filter.
I bet your spark plug sucking in oil, bro.
Probably.
You running a
V-stack? Yeah, a little V-stack. Yo, Brandon actually told me not to do this because he said I'll be sucking in dirt and I'll mess up the piston rings. So what should I do then? A filter?
No, you can't put a mesh over this and then put your filter on top of that.
What you mean? Like the V-stack?
Like say for instance they got the little net and that goes over this hole, right? Okay. You could take the mesh and put it over there and put the filter on top of that. So if anything get
put what filter? A regular filter?
Like
if I get a regular filter, he wasn't saying a regular filter is gonna bring in dirt. He said riding like this to put dirt in there.
Yeah, it can.
So should I just put a regular filter on there then? What's the point of
you about to drain your oil anyway.
How do dudes run V-stacks in? I don't get that.
You can run a V. You ready?
You got power, but I got music.
You got music.
Hey, come here.
Oh, he got music. Oh, he wasn't playing.
Hey, just wait till I upgrade. Just wait.
Oh, boy.
Hey.
Oh, I know this man. Oh, God.
What you got?
You know you don't know what you want, right?
He don't.
You don't know what you want. You know that, right?
He don't. Tell him. Talk to him. Hey, man. Just wait till I hook these bitches up, man. Just wait.
Oh, they not hooked. Oh, yeah, they not hooked up. When you hooking them up? Oh, yeah.
Order me some thicker wire, bro. Just wait, man.
Word.
You got power.
I'll be back. Listen, I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get all that too. I'm gonna get all that too. All right, cool. This the real fast guy though.
So
9th gen killer?
hold up.
You wanna say that?
I already know 9th gen killer.
All right, cool.
All day, any day. But anyway, check this out though. Check this out. Hold up. Why is it that you downgrade? How you go from a K to a B?
Hold on. Last time you saw me, did you see the Mustang?
Nah, you told me you was getting it tuned.
What, the Mustang?
Yeah.
Nah, look. Let me give you a rundown on some stuff.
Talking about who 9th gen killer who?
Oh yeah, you ain't killing no
9th gen killer who? Listen, this man been talking all that shit for. Ask him where his car is.
I know where his car is.
Exactly.
Wait, where's your car? Should I turn the camera off?
No, just don't say it, but.
Oh, alright, cool.
Yeah. Cool. Then after that, you could say yeah.
Whoa.
You know what I'm saying?
Alright, guys. So I actually wound up coming to what is this? Pep Boys. Yeah, I wound up coming to Pep Boys to grab some oil because I don't have any oil and I want to do an oil change because the oil is black on my car. I need that good though. Motocraft. No, that's Ford. I'm tripping. You do not have the Mustang, Torque. But I'm gonna see y'all at Ron's house only for the simple fact that my battery's about to die on this camera and I'm probably gonna have to switch over to my phone, so I'll see y'all. Alright, so Pep Boy's charging too much. I'm gonna have to go to like AutoZone or something like that, where they got that $30 deal where you get the oil filter and the oil, cause they taxing over here. But let's see what else they got filter wise. Well, guys, like I said, I had to switch over to the phone. What you doing? Hold on.
Couldn't see. Put it on right. So wide angle lens. You can see everything.
Okay, now I can see all y'all. Okay, cool. So I had to come here. My camera, the battery dead. Oh, I could charge it here. Okay, but cool. Yo, this is a wide. It's $5 per what? Man.
For a second. Bro, you been in for what, 10 minutes already? Damn, we just need a lick.
Y'all see this, man? Hold on. It better not rain. I felt a drizzle. Nah, it's drizzling.
All we gotta do is take it off, close the hood.
It's drizzling, man. But yeah.
See how you never gotta zoom into it like that?
That's that VTech. Y'all hear me? VTech techie, wacky. Pull up on the block and I got the machete. He said, "What's up?" I said, "Oh, Etty. You smell like spaghetti."
Bro, oh, Etty is not even a friggin' word, dog.
I know. But yeah, guys. So we gonna get to this soon. But it's starting to rain, so I don't even know. This upload might be delayed. You heard? Oh, that's not even white. That's just the color of the valve cover. I think it look weird when it's straight silver. It looks.
You talking about the VTech?
No. The whole valve cover.
Yeah, it's weird and it's about to rain.
Yeah.
It has to cool down anyway. Hopefully, look. You see how it's clear on that side? It'll pass.
Yeah, it should pass by. Just means I'm gonna be here.
You think about the wide angle lens?
It's pretty
cool.
cool.
The whole Acura meet with that.
It is pretty cool.
$12 Amazon.
It's low key like a wide angle / fish lens.
Nah, I have the fish lens at home. It's completely different.
Yeah, y'all.
It looks
So
like a fish lens.
this is my K that I've been building with Ron, aka K Bros, aka K Hoes. Did you watch my last video?
No, it's a trash.
It was.
Wow.
Actually, it was good because I was in it.
I watch all your videos, dumbass.
You ain't hear what I said?
How am I going to remember?
I left you a message in the middle of the video. I said he gonna hear this when he watches this.
Nigga, as soon as I got done watching your video, I called Chris. And I was talking some shit about it. I forgot what we were talking about.
What were we saying?
I was talking shit.
Yeah, we was talking shit.
I was talking shit.
Think it was the music you put in there we didn't like? And I was telling him that's the first time you did it with music?
Why don't you like playing videos with music, bro?
I told him to let me edit for him, dog.
Because I'm torquetv. The
Yeah.
TV means television. Television means your ass is gonna enjoy what I'm saying. I'm giving out facts or I'm saying some BS, but either way, I'm saying something. I don't do stuff like this where people record that and they go, nah, I don't do all that.
You need to.
I need content. I need to. I just hit 8K, boy. 8K, dog. 8K.
So you making 8K money?
Huh? Yo, listen, we ain't got to talk about that. Now you just took that too far, buddy.
I'm just, you know.
Buddy.
Fire.
What?
Fire for that. Fire off the top of another man, buddy, man. You are going.
What? Are y'all serious?
Yeah, buddy mean nine. Nine mean Makaki.
Yeah. Yeah, nah. I'm gonna get off of this. You just put a axle back on the car, pretty much.
That's a muffler.
It's an axle back.
This shit quieter than yours.
No, it's not.
Nigga, this
You
shit.
banging? No, it's not. So fucking hot in here.
Pulling out these plugs right now, famo. It just rained. Well, y'all know this. Y'all saw from the last clip. But it's Florida, so of course there's nothing on the ground. And the sun is the sun. So that's that. Bro, why is there so much sand in there, bro? Like,
I mean, when we take it off, we'll fucking cleaned up.
you have a tripod? I have the little bead thing.
When you break that one, break this one. Go like an X.
I love taking bolts out, that's why I wanted to do it. Break that one, yep. There's a lot of oil in there, bro. A lot. Did you overdo it on the oil? No. Let me go back and break that one. I only put oil in it with him. Unless he overdid it with the oil. Okay, done.
If you guys are doing this at home, you break 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bolts, and then the head, well, my bad, the valve should lift right off. I remember when I was a kid, I always thought this was the head. Like, like just the part up top, because it makes sense when you call it the head.
I just never knew what the hell people were talking about.
Yeah.
Flat head. So there's a lot of oil up in there right there, cuz. Ain't none in there, as y'all can see the silver. But that, you can see there's clearly some in there. But it don't look that bad with the valve cover off. It look pretty golden. I'm assuming boy changes oil on time. But we gonna get straight to this. We just gonna put this back on. Man, listen, the kit came with a bunch of grommets. That's all y'all really need to know. And
I don't even think that car running.
that's it. I got my slaves working on my car. Y'all see this, YouTube?
I'm gonna make sure.
All right, Torque fam. So, wait, these right?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and an X.
You haven't started yet, nigga? Today. Yeah, here. I can't do this with one hand and record.
You can't?
No.
Trash.
What you just say?
Trash.
One more time.
Nah, nigga, you finna meme me.
Say it one more time.
Nah, come get this one.
You already made a meme today.
Wow.